If you're seeing chess.com error 8, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into your account as quickly as possible. This error is usually caused by a login or authentication problem, or sometimes a server connection glitch. And in many cases, it can also be caused by corrupted local browser data, or even an extension that is interfering with the site. So we're going to keep this simple, safe, and practical. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, open your browser and go to chess.com. If the site is loading normally, but the error appears when you try to sign in, that's a good sign that the issue is likely related to your browser session rather than your entire account. Before we change anything major, start with the easiest test. Open an Incognito window. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N at the same time. This opens a private browsing window with extensions disabled in most browsers, which makes it a great way to check whether one of your extensions is causing the problem. Once the Incognito window opens, go back to chess.com and try logging in again. If chess.com works in incognito mode, then the issue is probably caused by a browser extension, saved cache, or corrupted cookies in your normal browser profile. In that case, you can start by disabling extensions one by one, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or any browser add-ons that might affect login pages. If you want a quicker test, just use Incognito as a temporary workaround. But for a real fix, you'll want to clean up the browser data in your normal window. Now let's try the next fix, which is a hard refresh. Go back to the chess.com login page in your normal browser window and press Ctrl and F5 together. A hard refresh forces the browser to reload the page without using an older cached version. This can fix display problems, broken login screens, and errors caused by outdated page data. After the page refreshes, try signing in again and see if the error is gone. If you're still getting error 8, the next step is to flush your DNS cache. This sounds technical, but it's actually very easy. On Windows, press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run dialog box. Then type CMD and press Enter to open Command Prompt. In Command Prompt, type ipconfig/flushdns and then press Enter. Once you see the confirmation message, close the window and go back to chess.com. This clears old network records on your computer and can help if the problem is related to connection routing or cached DNS information. At this point, if the issue still hasn't gone away, the problem may be local browser data. You can clear cookies and cache for chess.com, then sign in again. Make sure you only remove the data related to chess.com if possible, so you don't log out of every site on your browser unnecessarily. After clearing that data, restart your browser completely and try again. This often resolves stubborn login and authentication errors that cause error 8. Also, if chess.com is having a temporary server issue, the problem may not be on your side at all. In that case, wait a few minutes and try again later. You can also test the site on another browser or another device to see whether the error follows your account or stays on one browser only. If it works elsewhere, then you know the issue is local to the original device. So to recap, the main fixes for chess.com error 8 are test in incognito mode, do a hard refresh, flush your DNS, and clear browser data if needed. These steps solve most login and connection errors without needing anything complicated. Try them in order, and you'll usually find the issue pretty quickly. If this video helped you fix chess.com error 8, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and comment below if you want more troubleshooting guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.